Hello there everyone. Today I am here to present my Smart India Hackathons project. The problem statement is the Automatic Modulation Recognition software for DVB-S2X waveform. Now let's get into it. The main issue or the challenge we face is in detecting the DVB-S2X modulation schemes which could be QPSK and APSK and something else. Now, and also we face the hardware complexity. A lot of hardware is required. Now, what is this hardware complexity? Let's take a look. This much of hardware is required to modulate and recognize the signal scheme. Now, what would be the solution? The solution is simple: an automatic modulation recognition software or an algorithm utilizing adaptive wavelet networks for accurate modulation and detection. Now, how does that work? We take in the signal, then we make the signal go through the AMR, which is Automatic Modulation Recognition algorithm for wave modulation, and then we generate the output or the recognition or classification into a user-friendly UI. Now, the benefits of this would be in real-time processing, and it reduces the hardware complexity, and it is scalable to future modulation schemes. Now, let's take a look at our technical approach. So, for the waveform generation, we use MATLAB's DVB-S2X waveform generator for generating modulated signals, in which we can adjust the symbol rate, modulation type, and SNR configurations and all. Now, why are we using this MATLAB? It is to train the machine learning models for recognizing the types of modulations. Now, we use adaptive wavelet networks for robust classification of modulation scheme. This goes something like you get the original signal, then you apply the filter, and then you get a filtered signal. Let's talk about the AMR or Automatic Modulation Recognition algorithms development. It employs the machine learning technique for pattern recognition. It also uses adaptive wavelet networks for robust classification of modulation schemes. So, where is AMR algorithm used? It is used somewhere in between the pre-processing and demodulator. Now, how are we going to integrate into a system? We are going to integrate the AMR algorithm into an SDR platform, which is a software defined radio. Now, let's take a look at how it goes. So, it goes something like the AMR, which is integrated with the SDR platform, will generate reports on a user-friendly UI. And let's talk about the advantages of using this method. First of all, we get improved receiver flexibility. It automatically detects different modulation schemes without any prior knowledge. Then it's faster processing. It reduces the time needed to identify and decode the modulation types. Then it is very cost efficient. It also supports multiple signal types with fewer specialized receivers. It also gives you an enhanced performance. It quickly adapts to changing modulation format, improving reception in dynamic environments. With that being said, I'll thank you all for watching this video. My team is looking forward to seeing you in the Smart India Hackathon. Thank you so much once again.